a noise in the backyard. And that cat right there is a mean one. I don't know if you can see the little one all the way down there, but it does make a noise. I don't know if the cat or anything, but the rat is still here. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what's going on. Even look. I have to show you the fan with. You can't do twos. This wine bottle. They're my fans. Even they're not talking. Because they're not even persons. But this is a good bad story with a little cat. In the last day, that cat was ready to fight that little one. You can see me right now. You can see me right now. You can see it? That's the cat. It's inside. And I'm grabbing you. Whoa. Look over there. This is a little hat, and the whole universe to wander. Make this picture. This is a wanted cat. Wait, what the heck? As I zoom in, let me zoom in. I don't know if you can probably